Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do a colouring book haul. It's such a long time since I've done one of these, but I've been buying a few colouring books lately and some other artist stuff, so I'm just going to do a little haul video going through it all. So first of all, I've got this Nature Mandalas, a colouring meditation, and I won't try and pronounce the name. But it's the same artist that did the, I think it's Circle of Life colouring book. So I've only done a little bit of this first page. It's just absolutely beautiful, beautiful artwork. I'm sure it's very popular and most people have already seen it or they've already got it. I mean, some of it's very, very dark, but I'm hoping once I get some colour on there, it'll tone down that blackness. But the artwork itself is just excellent, absolutely excellent. I also got these. I got these a couple of months back actually, so I'm just kind of showing everything that I've purchased in the last couple of months. I can't remember which is the newest one. One of them's the newest one, and I realised I didn't have the previous one. So these pop manga books, yeah, I've just bought the last two of these. So these are just, again, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful books, gorgeous, sketchy artwork. There's probably not many people watching who haven't already seen these or don't already own them. So I got those. Also got the new Bramley Hedge book, Nature Colouring book by Jill Barklam. I absolutely love Bramley Hedge and these pictures are just gorgeous. I am going to do one of these soon. I think I'm going to do it with watercolour. So I'll be attempting to put a primer down on the page first because it doesn't look like it's great quality paper for water media. So I got the Christmas edition last year and now they've brought this one out. And I'm just looking here. Discover the original stories. Oh, I do have a book with all the stories in, but it looks like you can get the individual stories and they look beautiful. I'm going to look for those. I also got Leon's Journey from Amazon Japan. This is the latest installment from this artist and it is absolutely beautiful. And I've started on one of the pages, this one. So I'm recording that for a colouring video and that should be on my channel in the next couple of days. I'm only so far through now, but I've decided I'm going to turn Leon into a tuxedo cat. So, because I just love tuxedo cats and I will keep that consistent throughout the book. So he's going to be a tuxedo cat. And I need to look for some photo references. This type of cat will be like a lighter colour, but I need to have a look at some pictures. Okay, so that's that beautiful book. Pictures are just excellent, excellent artwork. And I've got the Mythographic Fairy Wonderland. I wasn't going to buy any more mythographic books because I don't think I've coloured hardly at all in them. I've maybe only done one or two pictures. So I haven't bought the last few, but this one, I really, really like this one. So I decided to get it. Love this picture. That one. I've also just got this one. Now, I saw this on Lucy Just Adds Colour. It looks absolutely brilliant. I just had to get it because it's just full of loads and loads of tiny pictures. So literally it's just excellent for practicing kind of where you would put your shading, where you'd put your shaded areas, you know, just practicing. I'm going to practice using multiple colours to make another colour, like with pencil. And the artwork is just excellent. Like, this artist has just got excellent drawing skills. Look at them little pictures there. They're absolutely brilliant. Just tiny little pictures. And it's got like different themes, so you'll get a page full of dogs. And like for me, that is something I need to practice more, because when it comes to an animal, it can be quite difficult to know where to put the shaded areas. And then just a page full of birds, cats. And isn't it good that they're all like in different positions as well? And then there's plants and flowers, yeah, all different subjects, loads of little food items. And then I also got this Fairy Fuzz colouring book. So I've already, if you've seen on my other channel, I have already showed some of this stuff. But this is my first kind of cute cozy book. And I did practice here with some alcohol markers that I had, but I felt like the colours were too strong and I needed some like lighter pastel colours. So I've ordered these. They were out of stock and I waited and waited and they finally came back in stock. So it's the Ohuhu pastel colours, so they're a lot lighter. So I got that set of 48, and then I also got this beautiful bamboo stand to put them in. Now this was a lot cheaper on AliExpress. I got this on AliExpress. They were a lot more expensive on Amazon. So yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And I've got the desk's bamboo, and I've got this pen holder that spins round. That's also in the same bamboo wood. So it's all going to nicely match. I've also got these various different types of markers here. So I've got some Copic markers, and then I've got these Arteza markers as well. So they're alcohol markers. So I'll probably just fill the rest of the rack up with those, just see which ones fit in there better. And then I also got a couple of art books. So this is a watercolour book, and I got this on AliExpress, and it's absolutely beautiful. And it's got this, look at this beautiful watercolour picture here. I just absolutely love the style of the watercolour. It's absolutely beautiful. They're such high quality books. You get all these little bits. It looks like a little bookmark with a little cat on. A little postcard with that beautiful, beautiful painting. Some other little bits. It looks like a little card of the colours that's used. A sheet of beautiful stickers. And so the book is basically, I mean, it's in, I don't know if it's Korean or Japanese, but you just follow along step by step. I mean, you can just visually follow along by looking at the pictures and copy them step by step. A beautiful mushroom. Look at these. I absolutely love these. That is so gorgeous, that picture. We love to be able to paint like that. And then I got this one, Watercolour in the Woods. This is just being released. It's similar type of book by Jane Cargill. Now I thought it was a watercolour book and you would watercolour in it, but it isn't. It's just the same, similar to that one that I've just showed you. So it's lots and lots of step by step paintings. So there you go. I mean, you can trace this. This can be traced and put onto a larger piece of watercolour paper, and then you would just follow it step by step, but it's in English so you can actually read the instructions. There's a rabbit. Just loads of woodland animals. Toadstools, plants and acorns, mushrooms. Just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and then at the back, actually, yeah, I forgot, at the back you've got all the line drawings, so you can trace them onto some watercolour paper. Yeah, and this one also has the line drawings for you to trace. I also got these beautiful tarot cards because these are absolutely fantastic inspiration for, you know, ideas to colour your pages. Just the way they're painted and what colours are used. This is excellent. Just for ideas, basically. I've got loads of packs of oracle cards and tarot cards, and I just like looking through them. And then lastly, I just got this absolutely beautiful little notebook. I couldn't resist. It's absolutely gorgeous. So it's just a plain notebook, and what I'm using it for is to write ideas down, because I keep thinking of ideas what I want to do, like arty ideas or colouring book ideas, and then I just totally, everything just goes out of my head, everything that I thought of, and then I can't think of anything. So I've started writing everything down, all my little ideas of what I want to do. And then the other thing that I got was I downloaded this on Etsy. So I really fancied getting this book off Amazon, where it's kind of a colour by number, but it's like all these tiny little kind of dots or squares or hexagons. And I thought, I'll buy it. It's like £11. I'll buy it, and then I'll maybe do one, and then it'll sit on my bookshelf and I'll never do it again. So I thought, I wonder if there's any downloadables, so I could just maybe download one. So anyhow, I found on Etsy this seller, and this is only like, it only cost like just over £1, and there was 3 different ones. So I thought that'll probably just satisfy my curiosity of what these are like. So I printed them on some really nice paper. Right, so that's basically everything that I've bought in the last couple of months. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll have another colouring video up soon because I've nearly finished that Leon's Journey page.